How to use auto-captions in VEED Video Editor. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, you are ready to add captions. Click on the Subtitles option in the left-hand menu and select Auto-Subtitle in English. VEED will automatically transcribe your video and generate captions for the spoken words. This process usually takes just a few moments depending on your video length. After the auto captions are generated, you can edit the text, adjust timing, and customize font, size, color, and position to match your video style. Once your captions are finalized, continue enhancing your video with text, titles, transitions, or music, then export your video with captions embedded, ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other platform. Now you know how to use auto captions in VEED Video Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.